How to set up Face ID on the iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings, and from Settings, we scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. From here, enter your current passcode. Then we go down and tap on Setup Face ID. And here tap on Get Started. And you need to put your face within the frame right here. So basically move around and then tap on. Now it asks you if you want to set up your Face ID with a mask. So I would choose don't use Face ID with a mask. Okay, so the first Face ID is completed. Then tap on Done. If you want, you can set up a second or alternate appearance or second Face ID. This is useful if you are wearing a glass. You can set up another Face ID with a glass on, or if you have a partner wanting to share your device, you can also set up your partner Face ID here. Okay, after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now once you set up Face ID, you can go back into Face ID and passcode and enter in the current passcode. From here, you can choose whether you want to use Face ID to unlock your iPhone for iTunes and App Store, contactless and payments, and password autofill. And that's it. So if I lock my phone, I can unlock it with my Face ID. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.